So we kind of consider ourselves the deconstruction of a traditional law firm. Everything that we have seen in the past, if it's worked, we've taken it with us. If it hasn't worked, we've changed it. We've turned on a 180, turned it on its ear. From divisions between attorneys and paralegals, law clerks and secretaries, we've erased those. We want to use people for their strengths. We involve clients in our cases. They're not just hiring us, they're a part of our team if they want to be a part of our team. They're the experts in their case, we rely on that. We even use Macs and iPhones and iPads instead of PCs just because it's different, because it's kind of the wave of the future and the way to progress cases and be progressive in a way that other firms aren't. So I grew up in southern New Jersey outside of Philadelphia. My parents were both school teachers, so I was forced to study at an early age and really kind of gained an understanding for the importance of education, academics, reading, writing, and creativity. I certainly bring that to my practice, and the other end of my upbringing was my dad was a coach, coached 3 sports. He coached till 8, 9 o'clock at night after teaching a full day. So I learned the discipline and the work ethic involved in being a competitive athlete pretty early on, brought that throughout my life through college. And even now as an attorney, I think that's directly related to what I do every day. It's academic, it's intellectual, it's also very competitive, and I bring that into my work every single day. One thing I love about Phoenix is the diversity. Geographically, you can be in the desert in Phoenix, you can be in the mountains or at the beach within a matter of hours. Diversity extends to people here. We got people from all parts of the world. We have tremendous racial, ethnic, and religious diversity here. It adds a lot to practice in Phoenix to be able to work with such a different group of people with different experiences. And of course, we're kind of a culture of people from other places, other parts of the country. John and I are from other parts of the country, and we can now consider Phoenix our home. It's extremely important for us to add that to our business and our passion of practicing law here in the Valley. People always say don't go into business with your friends. John and I heard it over and over again when we were starting this law firm. After a number of years now, it's clear we couldn't do this any other way. The amount of time we spend together working for our clients, the amount of effort we have to put into this thing, picking up the phone and calling John at 1 o'clock in the morning doesn't even faze him, it doesn't faze me. We do this on a regular basis to get the best results for our client. It's the friendship that extends outside of the office that allows us to do what we do and get the results we get. If I weren't an attorney, I have no clue what I would be doing right now. This is all I've ever wanted to do in my entire life from the time I was a kid, through college, and as a practicing attorney. This is all I can think of doing. This is my passion. This is what I love.